Alright guys, I'm back with another video. I know it's been like a week since I posted, so I'm just going to give y'all some content. So right now I am going to be looking at people doing the foil Japanese ball. So let's get into the video and comment if you want me to do this challenge, and I might do it. Cause this has been the stuff that's been out lately, so that's why I'm gonna do this today. So
Okay, today I'm going to be taking the Japanese aluminum foil ball challenge. So this is a challenge that I've seen floating around the internet these last few days. So I wanted to make one myself and see if I could actually make a solid ball of aluminum. And then I can test the density of it. And then finally I'm going to crush it in my hydraulic press and see if it crushes as though it's a solid block or a solid ball of aluminum. So let's go ahead and get one made. Okay, first let's get my ball. Okay, here's my aluminum ball. Now let's see if I can pound it down into a spherical shape first.
that looked pretty hard to do. Probably, it looked like it'd take a long time. Oh yeah. Comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, you guys put in the comments hashtag 10ball, and I'll do it.
Okay, we're getting there. This is already working better than I thought it would.
That look good.
It's looking pretty spherical. It's getting solid through the core, and it's getting actually shiny without even polishing it yet. Okay, now I'm just going to sand this for a while with some water. Okay, now I'm using 1000 grit sandpaper.
What is the difference?
Then finally I'll polish it up. Okay, here's my final product, a shiny aluminum ball. This is awesome. It's just a shiny sphere of aluminum now. So what I want to do with it is I want to crush it in my hydraulic press, and I want to see if it crushes as though it were solid aluminum, or I can reduce the volume of it more with the hydraulic press. But before I do that, first let's test the density of it to check if it's as solid aluminum or not. Okay, first let's get the mass of it, then we'll get the volume of it, and take the mass divided by the volume. That should be our density. Okay, we got 51 grams. Okay, now let's get our volume here. So our water line is right at 500 milliliters. Let's see how much it increases. It flows.
It just flows.
So I'm pretty sure that's lighter than aluminum already. Okay, but let's still go ahead and measure the full volume here. Gotta get it all the way under the water. That's about an increase of 60 milliliters. Okay, so I measured my density to be around 51 grams divided by 60 milliliters, which is around 0.85 grams per milliliter. And the actual density of aluminum is 2.7 grams per milliliter. So this is a little less than half as dense as real aluminum. So this is kind of cool because it...
Alright guys, I think he's gonna crush it now. So tell me, do you think it will crush or it wouldn't crush in the comments?
Looks and feels like a solid metal ball, but it floats on water. It's really neat. So this is about half as dense as a solid ball of aluminum. Let's crush it now and see how small we can actually get it. Okay, Japanese aluminum foil ball in the hydraulic press. Man, I worked so long on this. I hate to crush it, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, aluminum foil ball. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's crashing.
Oh, it's crumbling apart.
It just basically made it into a hamburger. Just imagine if your finger was in that, your whole finger is gone. Like your thumb is going, your finger's gonna be like this. Your thumb is gonna be gone. It's gonna be like that. Like serious.
So that had a lot of room to keep getting flattened. Let's see what it looks like. So I should measure the density of it now, see if we got closer to solid aluminum. Okay, now to get the density of this, instead of just measuring the volume with water, since I have a flat circle here that is 7 centimeters in diameter and around 0.7 centimeters thick, just use pi r squared times the thickness and we get around 27 milliliters of volume here, and our weight was 51 grams, so we're at around 1.9 grams per milliliter. So that's a lot closer to solid aluminum. So it still has some...
Alright guys, comment, like, subscribe, and put if you want me to do this challenge in the comments, and tell me, put some like prank ideas, because I do want to prank Tony with some prank ideas. So yeah, go do that. And I had just made a new Instagram because for some reason my Instagram account, it got logged out, so I have to make a new Instagram. So I made a new Instagram account. I'll put it in the description, and I'll put Tony's Instagram in the description. So go follow us on Instagram, and let's get 'em, man, and peace.